Yeah, welcome back again. This is your guy Mozaro, and today we are going to talk about pregnancy. If you are a busy bee and your wife is pregnant, how do you treat that person? Let's get in. Charlie, I know if you're a lady watching me and you hear pregnancy, you know that it's not easy at all. That thing called pregnancy, Charlie, ain't easy enough. But if you're a busy bee like me, or you'll be very busy, and now for an as a wife and our girlfriend and when you will be pregnant, how do you treat the person? So let's calm down. Every pregnancy demands a lot of attention. Sometimes any area any baby but offer pregnancy a manipa or pregnant or demanding more attention. Feel nipa now because also when I say we are all in this together. Why is it that men may feel the pains? So I jealousy kakra or intema tembiano ask for more attention, and if you don't get, always when you fight and tembia when you fight. What do you do if we are very busy like me and for an our wife and our girlfriend pregnant? How do you treat the person? How do you get time for the person? If you know something, just comment below. Let's all discuss. Meet in the comment section. If you are new on this channel, kindly please subscribe, like this video, share to friends. Let's build this channel together. I want us to get more subscribers so that our videos can reach a lot of audience, because most people like you need this video in order to do one or things. And being frank with you, my culture was a time be a research. Person who use my research the edge also research what they can. Mostly they may me who ya boa me na make one seven. So for media na fato pick a crack na pedia babo, then you work upon it. Don't just go step by step. Just study what will work for you. If mine works for you perfectly, it's very fine. If it don't, just add up and use it. It will work very good for you. Thank you for the always say experience is the best teacher. Okay, with my experience, what worked best for me is from the start, you give my attention, very mad. That one, the pains and everything are not very severe, and they are not something you need attention that much. So this is how pregnancy is. From the start, now, the back a cry, the pains, the back a cry, and definitely the person is new in it, so they are going to demand more attention. And even if you are hard, if you don't give attention, they may try to do something because still, yeah, if you don't give the attention. But this is how you should do it. I shall say, just be giving little ear to it. If you're a busy bee, when your time be just be giving little ear as possible as you can. It's echo anymore, then you'll be increasing. So do the latest pattern there. Try your best, maximum best, and get the maximum attention I'll be to me the supply on. So especially the latest part won't say time as soon. That one try to give your maximum support. So if we are busy bee and you can't handle that answer, make sure say do latest part or the other more than, because it do hard. Stress name more. So make sure you subscribe. Please share. Share is free. If you subscribe to it, it's free. Share and likes. Give more likes to this video. Share to friends. Let them watch it. The same people like you also need this video so that they can build their home together. So we make a lot of videos about psychology, business, exploring, and more. So just subscribe to the channel. There's a home for you. Thanks.